Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body when you eat an egg? As a person takes a bite, we move inside the body, revealing the organs in detail. The egg reaches the stomach, where it breaks down into essential nutrients. In the intestines, these nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream and spread throughout the body, fueling the brain, strengthening muscles, and supporting smooth digestion. The body begins to glow with steady energy as it becomes more active. However, sometimes the stomach may become irritated, allergic reactions can appear on the skin, and excess fats may build up in the blood. When overloaded, the body can feel heavy, leading to low energy and fatigue.